Mary. I'm coming to you from quarantine still. I have obviously been dying to get to the thrift store like I know most resellers and thrifting addicts are. I have been trying to think of creative ways to source for my online shop. The obvious choices: Goodwill blue boxes or ThredUP mystery boxes. I have done a Goodwill blue box unboxing in a previous video. I did a vintage box. I'll put a link to that down below, but I haven't ever done a ThredUP mystery box. Now, the ThredUP stuff is not vintage. Probably not going to be able to put any of this stuff on Etsy. It'll be stuff that I can hopefully put on eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari, or Grailed. Because what happened was, I think everybody's buying ThredUP boxes right now. The only box that was left to buy when I went to look was the men's mystery box. Now, ThredUP doesn't even sell men's clothes, so I'm very curious as to what is going to be in here. I guess maybe they have people who send them men's clothes anyways. Maybe they put them in these boxes. I don't know. But the other thing I was thinking about it being a men's box is that I have been trying to build my Grailed inventory, which is supposed to be for only men's clothes. So I'm hoping that this will have some stuff in there that I can at least cross post and add to my Grailed, and that would be awesome. This is what it is. This is the men's mystery box from ThredUP. It was $40 with free shipping. I had, I think, $42 worth of credit from having my stuff being sold there. So I actually didn't pay anything for this box. So here we go. This is ThredUP men's mystery box. $40. Unboxing. Let's go. Oh, they're rescue boxes, not mystery boxes. Sorry, guys. Have scissors. I'm scared. First, oh, this is nice. Okay, maybe it is good. First thing in there is some Hugo Boss men's loafers. And look, they haven't been worn at all. I don't know if people care about Hugo Boss loafers, but I mean, at least the fact that they haven't been worn is good. Their size men's 9.5. It's leather, it's suede. Well, that's nice. And they're green, that's kind of fun. Okay, not hating that. That's awesome. First thought on the first item is thumbs up so far. Second item, don't know what this is. It's some sort of weird shorts. It's for like some kind of sport. Oh, it's Under Armour. I have no idea. I'm confused by the tag. So this top part is like a nylon bathing suit, snowboarding kind of material. And then it's like this really thick knit. Top part is almost like a puffer jacket material. Does anybody know anything about what kind of shorts these are? Maybe it's just like athletic winter shorts, because you know guys all wear those legging things underneath them now. Please leave it in the comments if you know what kind of shorts those are, because I don't even know what to list those as. Okay, more athletic shorts. These are from Nike. They look like they're fairly new. They're men's small, appear to be not used. Not blown away, not pissed. Oh, really crammed in there. I do like their signature turquoise polka dot. Who wouldn't? A monster. Is a men's Banana Republic zipper sweater jacket thing. It is a size large. Pretty nice. Doesn't seem to have much wear. The back is ribbed, kind of boring. It's wool, and it's from holiday 2006, so that's fairly old. I guess I might have to get this dry cleaned. It says you can hand wash it or dry clean, so that's good. This is a zip up hoodie with this plaid pattern. The brand is Nomis. I've never heard of that. The size large. It's super big, like a very oversized large. My guess is that it's like a snowboarding, surfing, or skateboarding brand. I don't know. It's either really old, like early 2000s, or really new, like Billie Eilish inspired. Maybe once I look it up, I'll realize Numis is a top seller and be thrilled. Something is new with tags. It's a new with tags men's Forever 21 green t-shirt. It's a men's small, and it does have a ribbed collar. It says it was originally $12.90 from Forever 21. This might be vintage. It looks like kind of 90s. It's a Henley style t-shirt with color blocked sleeves and this big logo on the front which says guaranteed original. The brand is Best Garment Company. Not anything that sounds familiar to me. I mean, this just seems like old pajamas. We have an apartment 9 white button down shirt where you roll up the sleeves and put the little thing there, which I don't really see guys wearing that style, but it is new with tags from Kohl's. Jeez, this was originally $46. That seems like way overpriced. I'm sure whoever originally bought it on sale, but this is an Izod fleece pullover. It's a little quarter zip. It looks nice to me. I really like wearing these kind of things. I might want to keep this. It's a men's large, but that seems pretty nice. A basic cozy fleece thing. There are 2 neckties. This one is Hager, red and navy blue diagonal stripe. This one is Brooks Brothers. That's pretty nice. It's a purple paisley print. That might be nice for spring and summer, so that could be something good. That is it. The box is empty. Final thoughts. I like the shoes. Athletic shorts are probably something that could sell. So I'm a little bit wishing there wasn't so much wintry stuff. The white shirt and the Forever 21 shirt and that t-shirt are kind of lame. So is the Banana Republic sweater. I think it was worth $40. Some of the stuff is exciting, some of it was kind of lame, some of it was just whatever. What do you think? Do you think that this was worth $40? Would you be happy if you got it? I kind of don't know what to think. I'm just on the fence still. I'm gonna list what I can, and I will let you know in my what sold videos that I've been doing through this quarantine when any of it sells. And I'm gonna be trying to do several kind of creative sourcing. I know ThredUP isn't that creative, but I did get one box from another company that I had never even heard of that is quarantining in my foyer. It's definitely not a foyer in my house. It is like this big. But anyways, it's quarantining over there. I am probably gonna do a video of that. That will be coming out later this week, and you're gonna wanna see it because I'm wanting to know if any of y'all have heard of this company or used it, but I'm not gonna tell you what company it is yet because you have to stay tuned so you can know about that, which is interesting for resellers or eco-friendly fashion because this company, I don't actually think they're like selling with intention of people to resell or anything. I think it's more of just an eco-friendly fashion type of box. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss that, and so you don't miss the what solds to see if any of this stuff does in fact sell. And please like, comment, tell me what you thought of the box. What do you think of ThredUP overall? I want to know. Missing Starbucks, but really glad that they have that like bottled coffee you can buy. It's actually pretty good. I bought 3 bottles of it yesterday. How it's going. Have a good day. Be your best self or not. So yeah, thanks for watching and I love you. Let me know what you think.